Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Street Fighter error code 50204-20011 SD052-TAD-W732. The error reads, "A communication error has occurred." This error shows up when players try to connect to the battle hub or during a match. Some users shared that the match starts fine but disconnects at the end and sends them back to the title screen with the error code. According to our research, this error is mostly related to network issues or game settings. But in some cases, it may also occur if the servers are having problems. First, restart your device and your router. Then launch the game again and check if the error still comes. If the error persists, check if your game is up to date. If there is any update available, install it and then try again. If the error still comes, then try disabling the TCP/IPv6 option under your Ethernet connection properties. Once disabled, restart your device and see if this helps. If you still have the error, then flush your DNS and check again. To do this, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. After that, restart your system. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try connecting over a different network, such as a mobile hotspot. If the error still persists, verify your game files. Go to your game launcher and use the option to verify the integrity of game files. If the error still persists, try forwarding the ports recommended by Capcom and see if that helps. If the error still comes, then it could be a server-side issue. In this case, wait for a few hours and try again later. If the error continues for too long, then try reinstalling the game. If nothing works, reach out to Street Fighter support for further help. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.